Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how I make a headband out of an old t-shirt. I had previously already cut off the sleeves of mine, so you're going to need that, a needle and thread, and a pair of scissors. Let's get to it. I'm going to be cutting right on the hemline just so we get an even and a very elastic headband. I'm then going to cut out a rectangle to make our bow. And after we have all that cut, I'm going to flip this over, flip both sides in the middle. I'm going to sew on that line. And after you finish sewing, you're going to want to take the fabric and pinch it and continue to flip it. And then you're going to want to take a little piece of fabric, and it doesn't have to be neat. This is only to make sure it stays in place and is secured. And you see that we end up with these two little strings, and you want to double that up just to make sure it stays nice and tight. And then we're going to take our little headband that we have, and you're going to take your bow and place it right on that line so we don't see that. You'll then want to flip your headband over and take the little strings from our bow and tie a couple knots to make sure it's secure. I'm then going to cut out another rectangle and make this one a little thicker and stretch it out and tie a knot over it again and cut off the edges. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is really simple, really easy, and a great way to repurpose an old t-shirt. Thank you.